Well, I guess the monsoon came a little early this year. I started doing some plumbing. These will be for the 4 jets. Pump water into the pool. The little white pipe is for the 4 lights that we'll have. And a skimmer. The pool had 5 inches of water in it this morning. The 1/2 horsepower pump will suck out about 50 gallons a minute. But the last inch or 2 of water, I have to use a little aquarium pump. And it only pumps 30 gallons an hour. But I guess eventually it'll pump out the last inch or 2. The big pump, it just goes out over the wall, dumps onto the neighbor's property. He doesn't care. So, fun, fun, fun. And of course there's a bunch of termites that come out after it rains. Pool's full of termites. Anyway, that's the weekly update. I can still lay concrete blocks though, so work won't stop. It'll just get wet.